Hello friends, how's you all? Welcome back to my channel Trigger Your Mind with Knowledge. In this video, there are 15 GK questions related to science. Now, let's get started. Question first, who transport the blood in human body? Answer 1 is arteries. Question second, name the strongest muscle in human body. The answer is jaw muscle. Question 3. Animals without backbones are known as invertebrates. Question 4. Bamboo is the diet of which animal? The right answer is giant panda. Question 5. Dolphin is an amphibian or a mammal? A mammal. Question 6. How many poles a magnet has? 2. North Pole, South Pole. Question 7. Name the brightest planet in the night sky. Venus is the brightest planet in the night sky. Question 8. Name the country having longest coastline in the world. Canada. Question 9. Name the hot liquid rock surface under the earth. Magma. Question 10. Name the mineral necessary for our bones. Calcium. Question 11. Name the star closest to the earth. Sun is the closest star. Question 12. Quicksilver is the other name of which element? Mercury. Question 13. What is the distance of moon from earth? 38,04,400 km away from the earth. Question 14. What does happens when lightning hit the tree? The water in the tree boils up and bursts the tree. Last question of this video, question 15. What is a tomato? Either a fruit or vegetable? Fruit. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.